If you are a GCC resident planning to travel to Bahrain, you can apply for a Bahrain eVisa online without visiting any embassy. This option is available to travelers who hold a valid GCC residence permit. Based on your travel purpose, you may apply for a tourist, family, or business eVisa. Each option is meant strictly for short visits. To begin, complete the online Bahrain eVisa application form. Select your GCC country of residence and enter your passport details carefully. Next, upload the required documents. These include your passport bio page, your valid GCC residence permit, proof of onward or return travel, and accommodation details in Bahrain. Once the documents are uploaded, proceed to pay the visa fee online. After approval, your Bahrain eVisa will be sent to your email address. Print a copy and carry it with you when traveling. This eVisa allows entry for visit purposes only. It does not permit employment or work activities in Bahrain. That's it. A simple online process designed for GCC residents traveling to Bahrain.